Quick 4th of July wash. I get the foam cannon out. Silver flare, discontinued color. This is a 2024. You had to go with the ceramics. XO shield on the windshield. Don't want a cracked windshield. 20% tints. 3LZ. Black mirrors. Black wing. Black wheels. Got the carbon blue key cover to match. Tension twilight blue interior. 3LZ. This is my second one. I had a white ceramic matrix without ceramic brakes. Got rid of that. Had to get the ceramic brakes. It's the same brakes that come on SF90XX as well as SVJ Aventador. 400 mil in the front. And I believe it's 340 in the back. I'm not exactly sure. Basically, you have to spend $1 million to get the same brakes, so 10,000's a bargain. PPF the front. Track pack, basically. Whole front end. A-pillar. This piece going across. Lower part of the door, the rockers, inside the vent, as well as a little piece on the back. And inside there, because rocks always get trapped in there.